Welcome to MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. My name is Eric Carlson. Today we're looking at the Crest II. This is a 220 SLS floor plan. This boat has got powder coated rails on the front. It has a very nice one-piece vinyl floor. As we move inside, we have movable cup holders that you can move around. Gigantic storage area that you can put about anything in. Same on this other side, big storage area with a trash can. Down here we have in-floor storage down below. So you can put a wide range of things, skis, tubes, whatever. Over here we have storage up under the helm that you have storage area. We also have a full instrumentation with a fusion stereo, plug-in USB and iPod ports. Moving over here, we also have a changing room area, which can pop out. We also have a side door over here, which allows easy access inside the boat. Moving back, we have some additional storage behind the seat. We also have storage up under this seat as well. Back here we have what's called the flip-flop seat, which you can sit this way, or if you decide to, you can move the seat this way and you can have a sun lounge in the back. We also have a nice little glove box over here to put your goodies in. We have a storage area over here to the left. Another doorway. As you move back here, you also have a lot of storage in this boat up under the seat. Then we have a nice stainless steel ski tow bar, a nice stainless deep reach ladder, and this boat is powered by a Mercury 150. So thank you for looking, folks. Come see us at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia.